We're here at New Hills, part of Phobail and Gligany Garma, and it's an event with the Kind Economy, in partnership with the Kind Economy, which is all about people who are stuck in the asylum system who can't work and who have many, many skills and lots to offer. And so it's a way for us to appreciate them. And as well, a lot of people living in hotels, they've nothing to do during the day. You know, they're cracking up, they're getting depressed, they're feeling really useless. So a lot of our campaigners and activists in the Kind Economy are stuck in hotels, they're not allowed to work. And that's all part of the hostile environment that's created on purpose, a particularly cruel system. So this is our way of supporting people to have an active part in what's happening in our communities and for them to be able to offer something as well and to be involved. Well, it is what it says. It's a kind economy, and it's kind of a gift economy as well, which is lovely. So there's no money, no financial transaction takes place, and it's about solidarity and supporting each other.
We have been helping people across the city to resist evictions by private landlords, because also, as you might know, the asylum seeker accommodation is provided by a private company. It's called Meals, and they are contracted by the Home Office. They are given more than £13 million to provide the accommodation for asylum seekers, and unfortunately they are taking the money. The money is going to private companies, and they are not providing the good service for asylum seekers.
I'm Connor from Pennsylvania. We're here at the New Hill Community and Youth Center with Kind Economy, who has provided this amazing lunch that's brought all these people here to break bread, build community, and heal. And what we know is that when people eat food together, especially food that they've had a part in preparing, it builds relationships in a way that other things just don't. So as a therapist, to see this happening in real time, to watch bonds building and growing, to see people smiling and nourishing their bodies is one of the most powerful ways that we can heal from trauma. I'm so excited to be here to be a part of this and to see this in action.